So guys, we're gonna tint this back window of 307 Peugeot. Now, 307 is not difficult window comparing to 206, but what I want to tell you, sometimes you might be scared of, like, you can see that the curve is huge, right, on this glass. But the thing is, it's actually quite easy to do, because the curve matters only when you're doing when it's curves super quick, super fast, not when it's curving like this nicely, because it then continues. If the curve continues nicely, it doesn't really affect. Only when it becomes hard to shrink is when the curve happens super quick and the film has a lot of, like, it's a huge finger, and then you can't shrink it. So this one is quite easy, but anyway, maybe a little bit harder for some. So let's start shrinking. Okay, let's crank up the heat, and basically you just go over it. When it wrinkles up, as you can see, you push it down. Wrinkles up, push it down. You can do like this if you wanted to. Whatever way you prefer shrinking. I just go quickly like this in one area. Don't hold the heat gun and just wait for it to wrinkle. You need to move the heat gun or go like this, you know, or it will burn up on you. So as you can see, we have this huge curve, but it doesn't really affect us because it's not a difficult window. Not all curved windows are difficult to shrink. It all depends, as I say, on how fast the curve happens. If it's very fast, then it's difficult. Oops. So we did the bottom part now, we shrank the bottom, now let's do the top. Guys, so we shrank the top now, we're gonna cut it to shape, we're gonna use a light from inside and cut to the dotted matrix slightly lower than the dotted matrix. We're gonna just cut it to shape, just slightly above the dotted matrix, if you can see. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna cut it all around, I'm gonna show you the result. So, we have cut to shape, as you can see. And now you can work from the glass itself if you don't have a board. But we have a board, so we're gonna remove it and put it on the board. Ooh. Just like that. Alright, so now we have the boot opened, we're gonna spray down and we're gonna clean it. So what you do is you spray down with Johnson and water mix, and then you get the scrub it down. Now you spray down again. Then we use the squeegee and a towel and go over. Now you take the towel and you go all around to clean all the plastics, just in case we're gonna touch them when applying. Now spray down, and we're gonna apply the film. Alright, so we're gonna peel off the film, the liner. Boom. Spray the corner, hold the corner, spray down. Now grab from the bottom. Slowly apply the film, go around these kind of things, and there we have it. Now sometimes these things are in your way, so they might. This is why we clean the plastics all around, because you might touch something. Or you can remove the plastics if you want it. Oop, slide it in place. Careful, no cracking. See if there's no white gaps. check all around, no white gaps, and here you go. And here you go. We can now squeegee out the water. And start from the middle and slowly, without going too crazy, squeegee everything out. We have it. We squeegee it out. We're gonna go all around still. All the edges we're gonna try to do with this card, so we get all the water out. So here we have it, fully tinted back window, and as you can see, no bubbles whatsoever, nowhere to be seen. So this is how you tint back window of a Peugeot 307. See you in the next video, guys.